Yo, what up, YouTube? We got shoe unboxings. Alright, so first we got some ones. Bruh, the shoe store I went to, they were trying to charge $350 for these, bruh. It was like one of them resale places, bruh. I'm like, no, I wasn't going for it, bruh. I wasn't going for it. But they had these on sale for like $100. I'm like, bro, alright, bro. Let me just get them. Because I seen them on Go. I'm like, hold on. I seen them on Go. I'm like, man, let me just go to the mall. Get some stuff, man. Get some stuff. So we got 2 videos for y'all today. Alright, let's open up the box. That's the inside of the box. These are the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhoods. Let's take them out the box. You know what I'm saying? One silhouette. Color is gold and like a light university gold, light Bordeaux. Their size 9, of course. You know what we're gonna do the lacing. We're gonna lace the shoes up, do an on-foot review. You know what I'm saying? The usual stuff with the shoe reviews, man. But I'm about to say tumble leather all around the shoe. I ain't gonna lie, these nice actually. I ain't gonna hold you. They gave me 3 pairs of laces. They gave me some gold laces, some white laces, and of course the purple laces. I might see how okay, I'm gonna do one purple. We gonna see how all the laces look on the shoe. Yeah, that's what we about to do. I was only about to see how the gold ones look, but they gave us 3 pairs of laces, bro, so you might as well capitalize. Both shoes. You know what I'm saying? Basic 1 silhouette. Yellow bottom. Overall, I just gotta find something to wear with these, but like, I mean, you can't go wrong with ones. Hold on, let's do the lacing real quick. I'm about to say, I got these for a steal, bro, because like I said, bro, if you a real sneakerhead, you know about like these stores that ain't Foot Locker or Nike, Champs, etc. The big retail stores, just like an independent store that be taxing, bro. They be waxing in there, bro. Bro, me and my mans went in there, bro. We like, all right, bro, look. I'm talking about Yeezys for $500. I'm like, oh no, bro, hell no, bro. I'm like, bro, y'all waxing, bro, y'all waxing. Waxing. All right, we gonna lace them right now. All right, so we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one gold and then one purple. We're gonna do one every see how they look. We're gonna do an on-foot review, of course. And they lace the fuck out these bitches. Hold on, let me do this one first. Let me untangle this real quick. I'm about to say, yeah, bro. Like I said, I need some more shoes because I'm trying to start my shoe channel, bro. So get back into the sneaker reviews and stuff. Cause I see y'all like that y'all like that type of content. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna do the gold. I ain't gonna lie, I probably gonna I'm looking at it right now. Like, since the toe box is gold, I'm probably gonna you see how the yeah, I like the gold because it contrasts with it, because like it's like purple and gold. It's like white, purple, and gold. White tongue. I feel like the gold bring the shoe out more. I'm about to say we'll see. I'm just trying to lace these joints real quick. Yeah, we gonna see how all the shoes work. We gonna lace them real quick. Let's lace them. I mean, normally I wear my ones like loose lace. It depends what jeans you wearing. I mean, hold on real quick. Let me make sure y'all can hear me. All right. Yeah, I like the gold, bro. I'm trying to only put the camera down here for a minute, just show y'all. Let me lift it up real quick so I can see the lacing process. I'm just doing a basic quick lace. I ain't trying to be I'll do the I'll really lace it off camera. I'm just trying to show y'all what the laces, what it look like with the different color laces. I ain't gonna lie, as I'm doing it, I kind of like the gold, bro. Like the gold make the shoe pop a little bit. I'm like, and I need another pair of ones too, cause the last pair I drew on. Well, I painted. I gotta get back in that too. So yeah, I'm about to build my sneaker channel up, bro. I'm about to say the game and stuff. That junk, it's fun and all, but it's just a lot of people doing that stuff. So I'm probably gonna be playing like only RP for a minute. I'm about to say, yeah, bro. This is basically like Christmas gifts for me, bro. I'm like, I'm about to say, just. I mean, let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you like the gold, all right, just the gold laces. I'm gonna do the white in a second. I'm about to do the purple laces right now. Like I said, I like ones because they versatile. Like ones, threes, fours. Like you can wear them with anything. Alright, but let's hurry up. It's already at 13 minutes. I'm trying to keep these videos like under 15. Alright. Hold on, I'm almost done. I mean, let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the gold better or the purple? In my opinion, I feel like the gold bring out the shoe more. But I don't know. Alright. I'm about to do the on-foot review in a minute. If y'all want more, hold on, let me get that. I'm about to say, yeah, these are Jordan 1s. Brotherhood. Yeah, a closer look in the camera. Bottom of the shoe. I'm gonna get your on foot in a minute. But if y'all want more shoe reviews, shoe related content, subscribe to this channel. Get this video to not 10. 15 views and like 10 likes. I'll drop the next video soon. Alright, stay tuned because next year, 2024, bro, you about to blow up YouTube, bro. Alright, peace. I'm about to just watch. Alright, peace, y'all, peace.